Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best holiday sparkle is probably one of the most exciting times of the year to refresh your home's ambience, especially when you can snag incredible deals on festive items that will bring joy and cheer throughout the season and beyond. Imagine transforming your living space into a winter wonderland or a cozy festive retreat without breaking the bank, all thanks to the amazing clearance opportunities available right now. This is your chance to grab those must-have decorations that you might have missed during the peak season, ensuring your home is perfectly adorned for every celebration and gathering. Number 5. HYH American Flag Lights. Illuminate your space with 420 super bright LEDs that are built to last and withstand the elements. Simply plug it in to instantly create a stunning display, perfect for any occasion, indoors or out. Measuring an impressive 6.54 foot x 3.28 feet, this brilliant LED US flag net light is a beautiful way to showcase your patriotism. Hang it proudly at home or in your yard for Memorial Day, Independence Day, and other celebrations. Enjoy peace of mind with our UL-certified 110V standard plug. It's designed for safety and remains cool to the touch, even after prolonged use, ensuring a secure and brilliant decoration. This large and beautiful flag light truly shines, especially at night. With 420 high-efficiency LEDs glowing in red, white, and blue, it's sure to surprise and delight your family, friends, and neighbors. It's the ideal decoration for any event, from holidays and parties to everyday celebrations. Its portability also makes it great for travel, easily attaching to a car or backpack. Featuring a classic American flag design, this light string is perfect for National Day, Independence Day, and various festivals. Let it shine brightly and light up your way home, a perfect symbol of pride. What we like? This flag light boasts an impressive 420 LEDs for a brilliant display. It's also IP45 waterproof, making it suitable for all weather conditions. If you're looking to showcase your patriotism outdoors with a durable and eye-catching decoration, this is the perfect choice for holidays and celebrations. What people say. The lights are very bright and have multiple settings. The ornaments are well made and look beautiful on the tree. The garland is long enough to decorate a large fireplace. Number 4. FECEDY Happy New Year Banner. Celebrate the new year in style with this elegant black and gold banner. It's the perfect addition to make your party feel luxurious and atmospheric. Crafted from eco-friendly paper, this banner features shiny gold lettering that won't fade. It's designed for repeated use, offering great value. The timeless combination of black and shiny gold creates a sophisticated look. It effortlessly enhances any New Year's Eve celebration. Each alphabet card is sized at 6 by 4.8 inches, and the banners provide ample length for versatile decoration. Hang it anywhere you like. This banner is easy to attach and detach from walls or backdrops. Feel free to get creative and combine it with balloons and other decorations for a unique setup. From FECEDY, we guarantee high-quality products and excellent service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like? This banner features a classic and luxurious black and gold color scheme. Made from eco-friendly paper, it's designed to be used multiple times. If you want a sophisticated and timeless banner for your New Year's Eve party that adds a touch of elegance, this is an excellent option. What people say. The lights are bright and colorful, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. Easy to set up and take down, making decorating a breeze. Durable construction ensures they will last for many seasons to come. Number 3. KatchOn Happy New Year Hanging Swirls Decorations. Ring in the new year with dazzling style. These hanging swirls are the perfect way to add a festive touch to your celebration. No assembly required, just hang and enjoy the sparkle. Get ready for a grand celebration with this pack of 30. Each piece is designed to bring joy and excitement to your New Year's Eve party. It's everything you need for a memorable night. Welcome 2026 with these vibrant decorations. They are specifically designed for New Year's Eve, ensuring your party is on trend and unforgettable. Let the festivities begin. Forget the stress of complicated decorations. These are ready to go straight out of the package. Spend less time decorating and more time celebrating the arrival of the new year. Make your New Year's Eve party complete with these essential decorations. They are the perfect addition to any festive gathering. Celebrate the moments that matter with ease. Add a touch of glamour to your home or venue. These decorations will catch the light and create a magical atmosphere for your New Year's countdown. Get ready for a truly spectacular event. What we like. These hanging swirls are a convenient way to add festive flair to your party. With 30 pieces in a pack and no DIY required, they are ready to hang straight out of the box. If you need a quick and easy way to decorate your New Year's Eve party space with a dynamic visual effect, these are a great pick. What people say. The lights are very bright and have multiple settings. The ornaments are well made and look beautiful on the tree. The garland is long enough to decorate a large fireplace. Number 2. Amosfun Happy New Year Headband Tiara. This festive accessory is designed with lightweight foil material for a comfortable fit. It's the ideal headband to enhance your celebration experience. Featuring a sparkling powder coating, it reflects sunlight beautifully. This creates a dazzling effect that brightens up any New Year's party. Available in gold, black, and silver, these hair hoops allow you to easily match your outfit and party theme. Achieve a coordinated festive look. This foil hair hoop serves as a great photo prop and party favor. It helps you capture memorable moments with family and friends. It offers a compact and comfortable fit suitable for wearers of all ages. Enjoy a comfortable fit during festive events. What we like. These headbands are designed as a fun and festive accessory for your New Year's celebration. They feature a sparkling design and come in a variety of colors to match any outfit. If you're looking for a comfortable and stylish party favor that adds a touch of sparkle and helps guests get into the festive spirit, these are ideal. What people say. The lights are bright and colorful, perfect for a festive atmosphere. Easy to set up and take down, saving time during the holiday season. Durable material that holds up well to outdoor elements. Number 1. Little DIY New Year's Eve Photo Booth Props 2023. Make your New Year's Eve party unforgettable with this grand set of 35 elegant gold touch props. Add a touch of luxury to your decorations and create a truly impressive photo booth experience. These props are user-friendly and require minimal assembly. Simply attach the printed designs to the included wooden dowels with the provided adhesive and stickers. We've ensured these props are made with grade A quality materials to meet your expectations. They are designed to make your New Year's decorations memorable and impressive. These sturdy and well-constructed props are built to last and can be reused for future parties. Their fancy and eye-catching designs will enhance any event. Create fun memories with these adorable and luxurious props. Their ideal size and dimensions are perfect for photo booth frames, ensuring they are recognizable in every shot. What we like. This pack offers a huge variety of 35 photo booth props with an elegant gold touch. They are easy to assemble with minimal DIY and are built to last, even reusable for future parties. If you want to create a fun and memorable photo booth experience for your New Year's Eve party with plenty of options for everyone, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. The lights are very bright and have multiple modes. The ornaments are made of good quality material and look very festive. The tree is easy to assemble and looks full once decorated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.